Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first fixes. Make sure you have a stable connection and that messenger is updated. Once done, force close the app and reopen it to clear transient glitches. Next, clear the app cache from settings to remove corrupt temporary files. This doesn't delete messages. Also confirm Messenger has necessary permissions for contacts and background data. These steps remove common blockers, so you can proceed to deeper troubleshooting if messages still don't appear. Now focus on account-level synchronization and app integrity. Log out of Messenger and sign back in to force a fresh sync with the server, and check message requests and archived conversations since messages can be hidden there. If logging out doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall Messenger to replace corrupted files. Make sure you remember login details so you restore access. Also inspect linked accounts and blocked lists. Sometimes messages don't show because a sender is restricted. Once these are complete, test receiving a new message. Finish by addressing device and network layers. Restart your phone and update its operating system to resolve compatibility issues. If problems persist, reset network settings or try a different network to eliminate routing problems. Make sure device storage isn't critically low because that can prevent message syncing. If none of these steps restore messages, gather screenshots and note exact behavior, then contact Messenger support or your platform help. That evidence speeds resolution, so capture logs or timestamps before you submit the support request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.